Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and update. Now let's tap on this backup option. And as you can see, we will be immediately and automatically transferred to this Google account, Google One option. So let's simply tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this tab, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Once more, a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use the 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, of course, and you will be able to manage your backup easily whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And we've been again transferred to the backup section. Here we can check how much space we've got left, how much space we've got used. You can manage the storage, of course, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details, so which section has been backed up already. And here you've got the advanced settings. You've got the backup using mobile or Metro Wi-Fi data. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, just like it is right now, because by using the mobile data to back up some items, your operator may charge you for that. So I highly recommend to simply keep it turned off and use only the Wi-Fi. And here, to finish the whole operation, just tap on Backup Now. And as you can see, your device is backing up your data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.